Transform your vanilla Minecraft experience into something truly extraordinary by adding mods to your server. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have a modded Minecraft server. This usually means using a server type like Forge or Fabric, which are designed to handle mods. You'll typically set this up through your server hosting provider, or if you're self-hosting, by downloading the appropriate server installer. Once your server type is ready, you'll need the correct installer for your chosen mod loader. Forge or Fabric. Download the installer that matches your Minecraft version. Be sure you're getting it from the official website to avoid any issues. Now, run the downloaded server installer. Most installers have a simple install server option. You'll need to direct it to an empty folder where you want your server files to be placed. This process will download all the necessary server files and prepare the environment for mods. After the installer finishes, you'll see a bunch of new files and folders inside the directory you specified. Locate the main server jar file. This is the file you'll use to launch your server from now on. To start your server with mod support, you'll need a startup script. This script essentially tells your computer how to run the server jar file. Your host might provide an existing one, or you can create a new one using a simple text editor. Crucially, make sure this script points to the correct server jar file you just installed. Now for the client side. All players who want to join your modded server will also need to have the same mod loader installed on their Minecraft client. They'll do this through their Minecraft launcher by creating a new profile using the Forge or Fabric installation that matches the server's version. With your server and client loader set up, it's time for the mods themselves. Download the jar files for the mods you want, then access your server's files, find the mods folder, and simply drag and drop all your downloaded mod jar files into it. If the mods folder doesn't exist, you can usually create it yourself. Finally, launch your server using your startup script. The server console should indicate that it's loading the mods. If everything is correct, you're all set. Now your players can connect to your server and experience the amazing new features and content your mods bring. Happy modding!